What's up, guys? Today I want to go over a couple things to help troubleshoot the Microsoft Store if you're having trouble installing some of the apps on there. And if that seems helpful to you, make sure to subscribe. All right, let's get into the first thing. All right, so the first thing we're going to try is resetting the Microsoft Store cache. So what you're going to want to do is go to your little search bar down here and type in command prompt. And you're going to right click on it and run as administrator. And then this window should pop up right here. We can make it nice and big. You're going to want to type wsreset.exe and hit enter. And that'll reset your cache and reset the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and try to download something, install it, and see if it works. All right, so if that doesn't work, we're going to try and repair and reset the Microsoft Store. So what you're going to want to do is go to your search bar again, type in store, get to your Microsoft Store, right click on it, and go to your app settings. Let's open up a big window for you here. And what you're going to do is scroll down to terminate. This will immediately stop Microsoft Store from running. Go ahead and hit that. Then you're going to want to hit repair. Give that a couple seconds. And then when that's done, you're going to hit reset. Go ahead and do that. Give it a couple more seconds. And then when that's done, you're going to restart your computer and then give those installs a try. I'll meet you back. Now, if that doesn't work, we're going to try and restart the Windows Update install service. And to do that, we're going to go to our search bar again, type in services, and click on that. It's going to open this little window here. Make that nice and big. And once we have this open, we're going to want to hit W. And we're going to scroll down for Windows Update, which is down here. You're going to double click it, which will open up this other little box for us. And we're going to change the startup type to automatic. And then hit stop, start again, and then hit apply. And then OK. And now what we want to do is look for M. And look for the Microsoft Store install service, which is right here. Double click that. And we're going to do the same thing as the last thing. We're going to go back to automatic for startup type. Hit stop. Give it a second. Hit start. And then apply. And then OK. And you can exit out of this. And then you can give those installs a try. Now, if none of these are working, you might want to just go to your File Explorer down here, go to this PC, click on that, and just make sure there's enough space on your local disk to actually install the stuff you're trying to install. So yeah, if any of those helps you out, please leave a comment, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.